On 18th May 2023, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma launched the Dare to Dream Academy, a football development center by Dream Foundation in collaboration with Assam Rifles Public School, BBFS Residential Academy, Indian Football Foundation, and Baichung Bhutia Football School at the Northeastern Hill University's SAI complex in Shillong. While expressing his gratitude to Dream Foundation and Baichung Bhutia for having selected Shillong in the state of Meghalaya for the first residential football academy in Northeast, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said that it is an honor for the state and more so it speaks volumes of the potential of the youth of Meghalaya and the Northeast in sports. He informed the gathering that the state government in the last few years, through the Star Talent Identification Program, has been able to scientifically test, as per international standards, about 5,000 children across Meghalaya. He added that the Talent Identification Program for athletes aims to catch them at a young and impressionable age and then hone their skills through curated training programs. He also hoped that the Dare to Dream Academy will be a great opportunity for the youth of the region to excel in football.
That's all. I think enough for the show. Oh yeah, ऐसे मारे
ऐसे ही है ना प्रैक्टिस अच्छा होना.
Okay, Ankit, take 6 of them out now. We'll play for 2 minutes and see himself. Yeah.
See, if you look at the overall picture even now, whether it's the under 17 or even at the senior level, a large number of players are actually from Northeast. And you have to realize that these talents have come out almost wrong, which means that they have come out on their own and they did not have the necessary support and infrastructure. So in spite of not having that, still there were a large number who made it to the national team. So you can imagine that if we are able to provide scientific and proper training and the necessary infra to them, it will be a game changer. So the future is huge. We have a lot of people who are talented, not just in football, but in sports in general, in different disciplines. And we expect that not just in football, but in many areas, in the coming years and many years to come, that Northeast will contribute immensely to overall sports sector in the nation as a whole. And we hope that our players will be able to contribute to the national football team. And we hope that one day India will start qualifying and obviously will start winning and hopefully win the World Cup also. So obviously our dream is big, but it starts with small steps. And
Honorable CM Meghalaya state footballers, and they've gone to the finals of Santosh Trophy, in fact, which is a big achievement, you know. From a state from Northeast, I think they were the ones who went on to qualify. So yeah, I think that shows that Meghalaya football is definitely has got potentials, but I think we still need to do much more from the grassroots.
We are planning to do that. So what exactly happens, India is trying to develop in sports. Every state government, central government, everybody is trying to contribute towards sports. What we are thinking, where there is a gap, so we don't want to duplicate what the government is already doing, but if there is a gap, how to support the athletes, because to match the international standard, they need something more in terms of support, whether it is equipment, whether it is infra, whether it is foreign training, whether it is the nutrition, everything. So we are trying to collaborate with each and every government. Where there is a gap, we just want to fill in so that everywhere, in every sport, not only football, we have a cricket academy with Dilip Venk Sarkar, we have a boxing academy with Mary Kom. So we are also planning to expand our horizon. So there is a plan for sure. So we want to do any kind of sports development in the entire nation.